is the final activities before applying for a military type certificate. Final means that we are doing the final test points to produce the final verification reports needed to submit the application. It's really the final activities. We are over 90% done. That's also a testament to how ready the product now is. Currently, as I said, 9 aircraft in operations. We have more than 30 aircrafts in production. All support systems in the program are either done or in production. Simultaneously, we continue the development, of course, of high-end features, taking advantage of the system that we have, and continue according to our plans in terms of weapon integration and flight test. Nothing strange.
Who stamps the MTC?
That's the authority, Flyginspektionen.
Okay.
Flyg E, more commonly known as.